So yeah, I just recently bought this tiller. This is the Champion, 19 inches with 212 cc's overhead cam engine. Very simple. And what I'm going to be doing today is just making sure that everything is working correctly, checking the filter, fuel, oil in the engine, and gearbox oil. So here it is. Look at this bad boy. Ready to war. And so far, it starts pretty well. Choke, gas. Let's see how many pulls. Good. Like a champion. Runs like a champion. And everything seems to be tight. Noticing a scratch on the blades. So, brand new. It's interesting because there is a filling plug and a drain plug right here. And there is another one in this side. So I'm just gonna do both and see what happened. The gearbox is right there. And interesting enough, there is no fuel filter in the fuel line, which in a machine that is running so low on the ground, I think there should be. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna add a small E-line fuel filter. This should be the air box. Does it have a filter? Yes. And it's clean, brand new. All right, we have a filter. Check the oil. Yeah, looks brand new. Still, I'm gonna change it. And how about this one? What is this? Seems to be the same. Interesting. It's a tiller for left and right-handed people. But what really worries me the most is this one. This should be 85W40, and the only thing I'm getting here is grease. Well, actually, I don't know if the transmission has a drain plug. Nope, nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna add fluid and just pump it a couple of times just to see if I can dissolve that grease with the hydraulic or gear oil, and until I have clear gear oil inside. So I have this syringe. I'm gonna try to pump out all the grease that I have here. Oh yeah, this is all grease, no gear oil. Wow. I really don't think this grease should be inside the gearbox. So I'm just gonna add some fluid, run it through the gears, and pump it out again. See if I can clean it up. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna run the twines, whatever it's called. Let's see what's going on. See if I can mix that gear oil with the grease and pump it out again. Choke, gas. Let's see what we got here. Oof. This is mayonnaise. Yeah. Yeah, and this is why it doesn't matter how new is the machine that I buy, that I always change the filters, fluids, even though if the owner tell me they just did it. So far, ton of mayonnaise right there. Let's go, boy. Mixing all with mayonnaise. Third round. All right, this is half of this pump is full already. I think we're doing good. I think we're doing a good job. It's mixing really well. Just gonna drain it. Not good. So I'm going to keep repeating this process, adding oil in and out until I get all this stuff out. Probably I'm not going to be able to get it all out, and I will have to wait until I'm tilling so the gear, grease, oil mix together, heat up, and it's much easier to pump it out. All right, let's see what's the deal with this double draining plug. Is this a draining plug? Yep. What? Should have half a liter. There's not much oil coming out. But I'm going to try the other side. Maybe it has two independent compartments, which would be pretty nonsense, in my opinion. There's nothing, not much has come out of the other side. Let's see this one. What? And this thing was empty. Nothing. Golly, never trust anyone. It didn't have 50 milliliters maybe of oil. And I'm telling you, never ever trust anyone. Oh, I just changed the oil, new filter, everything new. No way. 5W30, half a liter. Man, I hope they haven't run this thing too much without oil. Unbelievable. Jeez. I run this engine for maybe 5 minutes. I hope I haven't burned it. Look at that. Look at that. Empty. Just that little drip is just falling on top of the pan and going half one way outside, half inside. Well, oil going back to the ground where it came from. I'm going to give it a start just to get everything lubricated inside. Oh my God. Running the engine without oil. And the last thing I'm going to do is add fuel, a little bit of gasoline. Man, that lack of oil on the engine have me worried. All right, all the way to the brim. There we go. So what I'm going to be doing is, when I'm tilling, after 10 minutes, I'm going to drain the engine oil again, just to see if there is any metal shavings. Hopefully not. And I will keep flashing the gearbox until I have all clean gear oil. I hope you're okay, buddy. And what is surprising to me is that this unit comes with a auto shut off oil level. I don't know if it's level or pressure, but the fact that it has been running means that for the unit there was plenty of oil to not shut it off, which in my book 50 milliliters is way too low. But hey, it is what it is. Either the system right here is not working or is designed to work that way. Well, as it can be seen, I've been already working with the tiller a little bit. The engine hasn't blown, so it seems to be working so far. So I have half of the orchard till, and I'm gonna show you some till in action next. The soil is still a little bit too wet, but it's working. Let's go. So I'm just gonna park it for now. So the little champion got the job done. Check this out. It's a little bit too wet, but in the next pass should be much easier. And so far, this one has done a pretty good job. So far so good. Once the soil dries up a little bit, I'm gonna give it another pass. This time east to west direction, and that should take care of the orchard for now. Meanwhile, thank you for watching.